Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to the wheel series for the EVO. Right now I am here at the RB garage getting some work done on. As you guys know, I have a new set of wheels coming in for this car. So right now what we're doing is we're getting the fenders rolled. I'm going to be dropping the SSRs. I might be selling them, might be redoing them, I'm not 100% sure yet. But I got a new wheel that I can't show you guys yet. And I'm pretty excited about it. But the first thing that we have to do, since we're running a more aggressive fitment, we're going to have to get these fenders rolled on the EVO, and then we'll be able to put down any sort of power with a good tire.
I might end up pulling this off, the rubber.
Sounds good.
And then we'll just kind of clean it off. Alright, so here we have Honda Integra Type R. I'm rolling the fenders on this. As you can see, it's a JDM front. That's why it's got the long headlights. It's running a GSR B20 motor. All-wheel drive K-Series converted. This puppy runs 8s in the quarter. And that's with no boost. Yeah, so make sure at FL2K you call them out. Because y'all gonna get the smoke.
Alright, so update. We got this side done. Now we're working on the other side over there. Let me show you guys what we got going on here. So here's the rolled fender. So it's nice and flat along the bottom. We stopped here because with his experience he says that when you roll this right in here, it tends to mess with the gap. So I was fine leaving that. This right here is just some plastic that they put on the back of this. This will come off. It's not a big deal. But as long as this is rolled, I can fit what I need. Here's the plastic that goes on the back side. So it's just glued on, which isn't a big deal. I don't really need it now that this is rolled. Yo, what is up? Welcome back to the videos. Now today, we got something special. So, okay, I have a new set of wheels and I'm super excited, man. So I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna let you guys get a sneak peek, but the final review of this video will be at the end. So if you really can't wait, you're gonna have to skip ahead, but then you'll see the wheels on the car. That out. Oh, that's so cool. On Japanese. Oh. Oh. Oh, they're hot. Bro, they're hot. Oh my god. I was gonna get them painted because I didn't like the color they came with. But oh my god. Are you ready for a sneak peek? Oh! 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 Okay, so yeah, everything that kind of came in the box with this set of wheels, the size that I did get, I'll tell you in a bit, but oh, check that out. It came with the valve stem in the same color that the wheel is. That's actually kind of cool. Alright, so this was attached to the wheel. It's kind of neat. Gotta open it one hand. Yeah, it's just kind of like instructions, but Welcome back to a new day on the new wheels and tire setup episode for the EVO. So I just got everything loaded up into the car. I'll show you. So literally, this is what we're working with here. All right. Literally don't know how I fit. I don't even know how I fit all this. 2 tires, and I got a wheel in the back here. So, oh, yeah, check that out. These boys are so hot, man. I'm so happy with these. Look at that. Look at that. We're full. We're packed. I can still see out of my mirror. One thing that I'm really digging about these wheels, I don't know if you can see it, but if you take a look, it comes with all the Japanese stuff. I've never owned a set like this. I do have to say, like, I've owned, I bought NT03's Enki for my last Evo, and like, it didn't come with like all the cool papers and stuff, but it did come with center caps, and there were billet, and they had Allen keys that you could bolt on. These didn't come with center caps, and they're plastic, so I'm not too happy about that, and that's why I haven't bought any yet. But plus, they want like 20 bucks a center cap, and they're plastic. I don't know. I mean, I might just be cheaping out here, but I'll figure it out eventually. We might find something like really cool JDM that's actually worth the money. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna get there. We're gonna do this, get these mounted, balanced, thrown on, and then I gotta do some running around. I gotta get a part for the car. It's at Sarasota Mitsubishi, and I'm in Venice, so it's about a 35-minute drive. And I should be getting my tire letters today, so I might be doing it today. We'll see. All right, so here we go. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh. So I'm gonna be putting on some tire letters. Comes with these, so I'm going to try to follow this the best I can. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It looks like, since the wheels are on the car and they're fresh, they're brand new tires, so I'm going to clean it up with some alcohol, and then I'm going to find the spot up here that I want to put it, and then I'm going to have to move the car, roll it back, so that way these are up top. Hopefully they stick. So I'll keep you updated. Hey, what's up, guys? Alright, so I just finished the car. I got off of work and I picked up my car and I just did the tire letters. I filmed a little bit of the first one. My fingers are covered in glue. I can't feel anything. This glue is pretty tough stuff. See, I got them all done. I hope I did them good enough to stay on. I have to give a update tomorrow. I gotta let these sit for a while. That just looks so good. I'm honestly really happy with how this car came out. Welcome back. It's a new day. Now look, we got FL2K tomorrow, which would be Saturday. I got a lot of prep left to do. I guess not a whole bunch, but I finished the wheels. By the way, these are an 18 by 10.5 plus 22 offset. I don't need any spacers or extended lug studs to fit it, which is great because on my last Evo, you needed to run that. That was a plus 27 offset though. Those were different. Now, I went ahead and I went with those, and I also did a 275/35/18 tire. I did the Toyo Proxies, just the regular summer tire. Good traction in dry and wet, so that's what I was more worried about. Here they are. Once again, the 10.5 really brought out the wheel. So the last set, the SSRs that I had on this, those were an 18 by 9.5 plus 22. So they were pretty similar, except for the 10.5 brought out the wheel flush, so it's not sitting out. Now, I prefer this setup. It's more aggressive stance-wise. Oof, I love it. This car is gonna look so hot at FL2K. Now, I'm not running it. I won't be racing my car at FL2K. I got a stock drivetrain, pretty much a stock Evo, so it's kind of pointless to do it. But yeah, so this concludes of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I am so excited about the wheels. The next mod, I'm not 100% sure what it will be, but you guys will know. I won't be keeping too many more secrets with this car since everything's pretty much out. And yeah, we'll go from there. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. See ya!